can even insert their own genetic material, disrupting the normal order. This can lead to further complications. Our bodies are engaged in a constant battle against invaders and internal threats. Leading the charge in this microscopic war is our immune system, a complex network of cells and organs that work tirelessly to keep us healthy. Among these cellular soldiers, lymphocytes stand out as vigilant guardians of our genome. Lymphocytes are specialized white blood cells that circulate throughout our bodies, constantly on the lookout for anything suspicious. They possess an uncanny ability to distinguish between our own healthy cells and those that pose a threat, be they infected, damaged, or cancerous. These cellular sentinels are equipped with an arsenal of weapons to eliminate threats. They can release toxic molecules that directly kill infected or cancerous cells. They can also send signals that alert other immune cells to the danger, summoning reinforcements to the site of the invasion. The effectiveness of our immune system, particularly the vigilance of our lymphocytes, is crucial for preventing cancer. These tiny warriors act as our internal surveillance system, identifying and eliminating potentially cancerous cells before they have a chance to multiply and spread. Our cells, the fundamental units of life, are constantly working, carrying out the intricate processes that keep us alive. These tiny powerhouses are engaged in a delicate dance, orchestrating countless biochemical reactions every second. To fuel this ceaseless activity, cells require a steady supply of oxygen, a vital component in the process of converting nutrients into energy. Oxygen acts as a key player in cellular respiration, the process by which cells generate the energy needed to sustain life. When this oxygen supply is compromised, the delicate balance within our bodies is disrupted, leading to a condition known as hypoxia. Hypoxia triggers a cascade of cellular stress responses, as cells struggle to adapt to the lack of oxygen. Hypoxia, a state of insufficient oxygen supply, can arise from a variety of factors. It can be caused by external conditions such as high altitudes or internal issues like impaired lung function. Respiratory diseases such as emphysema or pneumonia can hinder the lung's ability to deliver oxygen to the bloodstream. These conditions compromise the efficiency of gas exchange, leading to reduced oxygen levels in the blood. Cardiovascular problems such as heart failure or blocked arteries can restrict blood flow, preventing oxygen-rich blood from reaching its destination. This can result in localized hypoxia, affecting specific tissues and organs. Whatever the cause, hypoxia can have far-reaching consequences for our health. The lack of oxygen affects not just the cells directly deprived of it, but also the overall function of organs and systems. Without sufficient oxygen, cells are unable to function properly. Their metabolic processes slow down, and they enter a state of energy crisis. Metabolic processes grind to a halt, leading to the accumulation of waste products and toxins. This buildup can further damage cellular structures and impair their function. In severe cases, prolonged hypoxia can lead to cell death and organ failure. The death of cells in critical organs like the heart or brain can have life-threatening consequences. But hypoxia's impact extends beyond the immediate damage to cells and tissues. The stress it places on the body can trigger systemic responses, affecting overall health and well-being. It also creates an environment conducive to cancer development, setting the stage for the emergence of this devastating disease. Prolonged hypoxia can lead to genetic mutations and changes in cellular behavior, increasing the risk of cancerous growths. The human body is a marvel of efficiency. constantly adapting to maintain a delicate balance within its internal environment. This balance, known as homeostasis, is vital for our survival and well-being. One such adaptation, crucial for ensuring an adequate supply of oxygen to our tissues, is the Virago-Bohr effect, a physiological phenomenon that governs the interaction between oxygen, carbon dioxide, and hemoglobin, the protein responsible for transporting oxygen in our blood. Hemoglobin is a complex protein with a unique ability to bind to oxygen molecules. Hemoglobin, residing within red blood cells, acts like a molecular shuttle, picking up oxygen in the lungs and delivering it to the body's tissues. This process is essential for cellular respiration, which powers our cells. The Virago-Bohr effect describes how this oxygen-binding affinity of hemoglobin is influenced by the surrounding pH and carbon dioxide levels. In areas of high metabolic activity such as working muscles, cells consume large amounts of oxygen and produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This carbon dioxide must be efficiently removed to maintain cellular function. This increase in carbon dioxide lowers the pH, making the environment more acidic. The body must then adapt to these changes to ensure proper oxygen delivery. The Virago-Bohr effect dictates that under these acidic conditions, hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen decreases, causing it to release its oxygen cargo more readily, precisely where it's needed most. Conversely, in the lungs, where carbon dioxide levels are low and the pH is higher, hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen increases, allowing it to bind to oxygen molecules with greater efficiency. This ensures that oxygen is picked up effectively in the lungs and transported throughout the body. This elegant mechanism ensures that oxygen is delivered to the tissues that need it most, while also promoting efficient oxygen uptake in the lungs. This balance is crucial for maintaining the body's overall function and health, highlighting the intricate and adaptive nature of our physiology. Imagine a force so powerful, it can change the course of history. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's the reality we face today. Disruptive forces have always been part of our world, but in the modern era, their impact is more profound than ever. From technological advancements to social movements, these forces reshape our lives in ways we often don't realize until much later. And as we navigate through these changes, understanding their nature becomes crucial. So let's delve deeper into what makes a force truly disruptive and how it can alter the very fabric of our society. In the quest to restore harmony within ourselves, we often overlook the simplest of actions, breathing. By consciously regulating our breath, we can influence our mental and emotional states, bringing balance and tranquility. It's fascinating how something so fundamental can have such a profound impact on our well-being. Breathing isn't just about survival, it's a cornerstone of our health. Proper breathing techniques can improve cardiovascular health, enhance lung capacity, and even boost our immune system. When we breathe deeply and mindfully, we nourish every cell in our body, promoting overall vitality and resilience. As we embrace these breathing practices, we open the door to a new hope. A hope for better health, reduced stress, and a more centered life. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, where each breath brings us closer to our true potential. By integrating these techniques into our daily lives, we can create a brighter, healthier future. Ultimately, breathing is the essence of life. It's a continuous rhythmic reminder of our connection to the world around us. By honoring this simple yet profound act, we can live more fully and consciously. Let us remember to breathe with intention, embracing each moment with gratitude and awareness. In every breath there is life, and in every life, there is the potential for greatness.